Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In last video, we have seen the basics of plotting. How to plot line plot, title, label, legends, etc. things. In this video, we are going to see how can we plot bar plot. Okay? So basically what is the bar plot? Bar plot is that used for presenting the data of different groups that are being compared with each other. So I am going to run this code. So you can see that this is basically our line plot. But when I just replace plot with bar, our plot converted with bar graph. Okay, but one thing you have to notice that the marker method will not work on that. So you have to erase this. Now I am going to run this code. So you can see that this is our first bar plot, but it is looking too much messy because they are overlapping on each other. China capita and Canada capita, they both are overlapping on each other. So how can we solve that? How can we put this side by side? Because right now they are just all stacked on top of each other. So we can solve this by offsetting the x-axis value each time we plot some data. For that, we are using Numpy array. If you want to install Numpy in your device, for that you have to just open your command prompt and just type pip install Numpy. In my device, Numpy library is already installed. That is why it is saying their requirement already satisfied. Okay. So here I am going to import Numpy library. So here I will convert year into Numpy array. For that we have one method from Numpy library that is called np.array method. np.array method, in that you have to pass your year. Okay, and here we are setting our width. If you don't understand what is the width, I will run code, that time you can understand it what is going on. Okay, here I am setting width 0.30. I am also converting year 1 into Numpy array. Here I have to substitute width from the year in first graph, and here I have to add width because I want to do offsetting. Now I am just going to run my code. So now you can see this. Now it is look pretty good, but one thing is that it is not looking that much good. Okay, for that I'll change the size of our bar. For that I just pass here width parameter. In that I pass width is equal to 0.30. Okay, now I am going to run my code. So you can see that this is looking pretty much good. So now here we will see that how can we get the data from our CSV file. For that I just create a new file, and here I am importing our matplotlib library. For gathering data from CSV, here I am using Panda module. If you don't know Panda module, you don't need to worry. in the future videos I'm gonna cover entire Pandas series. Okay, so here I am importing Pandas as PD. In the Panda, that has a one method that is called a read CSV method that can help you to get the data of CSV. So here I am just calling method pd.read CSV method. In that I just pass the location of our file, CSV file. So now I wanna see my CSV file, so I just print data, and here I am going to run my code. So you can see that this is our CSV file. This is CSV file basically of the COVID-19. This is the country and this is the total cases of that country. Okay, so here we are going to plot the country and the total cases of that country. So we need here, we will create on two variable. In one variable I just pass all the country name like this. In another variable I will pass total number of cases in that country. For that I just copy from here. Now I want to plot this data. For that I just call one method that is called plt.bar method. In that I pass country and total. Okay, now I am going to run my code. For that we have to just call another method that is called plt.show method. Now I am going to run my code. Now you can see that this is our graph. Okay, this is our graph of COVID-19 total cases. So this is looking too much messy, so we will convert this graph into horizontal graph. For that you have to do only one thing, you have to call method bar h. Okay, now I am going to run this code. Now you can see that this is looking pretty much good. So here I am just giving title to our graph. X label, Y label. And I am just here change the color of our graph. Now I am going to run this code. So now you can see that this is our graph. Okay, so this is our title, and you can see that it is looking pretty much good. Okay, so we made one mistake, guys. This is a total cases. We forgot that we just converted our bar into horizontal. That's why this is now y. Okay, so I made one mistake. I have to just do like this. Now it is looking pretty much good. I can set this as a like this. Now it is looking pretty much good, guys. So this is our bar plot. In the next video we will see further in the Matplotlib series. Okay guys, so do subscribe, don't forget to like our video. Thank you.